The vital importance of meditating in nature. Finding serenity near water and waterfalls. In an era defined by relentless digital noise and mounting stress, the ancient practice of meditation offers a sanctuary for the mind. While meditation is transformative in any setting, its power is amplified when practiced in nature, particularly near water and waterfalls. These natural environments, with their soothing sounds, serene visuals, and primal energy, create an unparalleled setting for calming the mind, fostering inner peace, and restoring mental clarity. This essay explores why meditating in nature, especially near water and waterfalls, is essential for mental well-being, emphasizing their unique ability to quiet the mind and nurture a profound sense of tranquility. The calming effect of nature on the human psyche is both intuitive and scientifically supported. Natural environments, unlike urban settings, engage our senses in a gentle, non-overwhelming way. The rustling of leaves, the scent of damp earth, and the soft hues of greenery work together to lower cortisol levels, reduce anxiety, and promote relaxation. Water, in particular, holds a unique place in this equation. The rhythmic sound of flowing rivers or cascading waterfalls acts as a natural white noise, drowning out the mental chatter that often plagues our thoughts. Studies, such as those published in the Journal of Environmental Psychology, 2010, have shown that exposure to natural water sounds can significantly reduce stress and improve focus, making it an ideal backdrop for meditation. When we sit by a stream or waterfall, the mind finds an anchor in the steady flow of water, allowing thoughts to settle like sediment in a still pool. Waterfalls, in particular, elevate this experience to a spiritual level. The sheer power of water plunging over rocks, combined with a mist that rises and the subtle vibrations in the air, creates a sensory symphony that draws us into the present moment. This immersion is the essence of meditation, a state where the mind is fully attuned to the now, free from the burdens of past regrets or future anxieties. The visual and auditory rhythm of a waterfall mirrors the breath, guiding meditators into a deeper state of mindfulness. For example, the sight of water cascading endlessly, without resistance, can serve as a metaphor for letting go of mental tension, encouraging us to release stress and embrace flow. This natural guidance makes waterfalls not just a backdrop but an active partner in the meditative process. Moreover, meditating near water and waterfalls fosters a profound connection to the environment, enhancing the calming effect. Humans are inherently drawn to water, a connection rooted in our evolutionary history. Biophilia, the hypothesis that humans have an innate affinity for nature, suggests that being near natural elements like water fulfills a deep psychological need. When we meditate by a river or waterfall, we tap into this primal bond, which soothes the mind by reminding us of our place in the larger tapestry of life. The gentle lapping of waves or the steady roar of a waterfall can feel like a conversation with the earth, grounding us in a way that indoor settings rarely achieve. This connection not only calms the mind, but also fosters a sense of gratitude and perspective, reducing the weight of daily stresses. Critics might argue that meditation can be practiced anywhere, and while this is true, indoor or urban environments often lack the organic stimuli that nature provides. The sterile hum of air conditioning or the distraction of nearby traffic can disrupt focus, whereas the organic sounds and sights of water create a seamless meditative experience. Additionally, some may claim that accessing natural settings like waterfalls is impractical for urban dwellers. However, even small bodies of water, such as local streams or park fountains, can replicate these calming effects to a degree. The key is intentionality. Seeking out nature, however accessible, amplifies meditation's benefits in ways that artificial settings cannot match. In conclusion, meditating in nature, particularly near water and waterfalls, is a powerful practice for calming the mind and nurturing mental well-being. The soothing sounds, immersive visuals, and primal connection to water create an ideal environment for mindfulness, helping us release stress and find clarity. In a world that constantly demands our attention, these natural sanctuaries offer a refuge where the mind can rest, reset, and reconnect. By prioritizing meditation in such settings, we not only enhance our personal peace, but also honor our intrinsic bond with the natural world. So, find a stream, sit by a waterfall, and let the gentle flow of water guide your mind to stillness. Your soul will thank you. Water sounds, such as those from rivers, waves, or waterfalls, offer several scientifically supported benefits for mental and physical well-being, particularly when used in meditation or relaxation practices. Below is a concise overview of these benefits, grounded in research. Stress reduction. Water sounds lower cortisol levels, a key stress hormone. A 2010 study in the Journal of Environmental Psychology found that natural water sounds, like flowing streams, significantly reduce stress responses compared to urban noises, promoting relaxation and lowering anxiety. Improved focus and attention. The rhythmic, repetitive nature of water sounds acts as a form of auditory stimulation that enhances focus. Research from the University of British Columbia, 2017, showed that natural sounds, including water, improve cognitive performance and concentration by providing a non-distracting auditory backdrop, ideal for mindfulness or meditation. Enhanced relaxation and mood. Water sounds stimulate the parasympathetic nervous system, which promotes calmness. A 2018 study in Scientific Reports demonstrated that listening to natural water sounds increased positive emotions and reduced negative ones, fostering a sense of tranquility. Better sleep quality. Water sounds can improve sleep by masking disruptive noises and creating a soothing environment. A 2015 study in sleep medicine found that natural sounds, including water, help participants fall asleep faster and experience deeper sleep cycles. Physiological benefits. Exposure to water sounds can lower heart rate and blood pressure. Research published in Frontiers in Psychology, 2016, showed that listening to water sounds for as little as 10 minutes reduced physiological stress markers, such as heart rate variability, promoting a state of calm. Support for meditation. Water sounds facilitate deeper meditative states by providing an auditory anchor for mindfulness. A 2020 study in Frontiers in Neuroscience noted that natural sounds enhance alpha brainwave activity, associated with relaxed alertness, making it easier to enter a meditative state. In summary, water sounds promote stress reduction, focus, relaxation, better sleep, and physiological calm, making them a powerful tool for mental health, especially in meditation near natural water sources like rivers or waterfalls. Forest sounds, such as rustling leaves, birdsong, and gentle wind, provide a range of scientifically supported benefits for mental and physical well-being, particularly when used in meditation or relaxation practices. Below is a concise overview of these benefits, grounded in research. Stress and anxiety reduction. Forest sounds lower cortisol levels, reducing stress and anxiety. A 2019 study in Scientific Reports found that natural sounds, including forest ambience, decreased stress responses and promoted relaxation more effectively than urban noises, with measurable reductions in cortisol after just 20 minutes of exposure. Enhanced mood and emotional well-being. Listening to forest sounds boosts positive emotions and reduces feelings of anger or tension. Research from Frontiers in Psychology, 2017, showed that forest soundscapes increased feelings of vitality and happiness, fostering a sense of emotional balance. Improved cognitive function. Forest sounds enhance focus and cognitive performance. A 2018 study in the Journal of the Acoustical Society of America demonstrated that natural sounds, like birdsong, improved attention and working memory compared to artificial noises, making them ideal for meditation or tasks requiring concentration. Better sleep quality. Forest sounds promote relaxation conducive to sleep. A 2020 study in International Journal of Environmental Research and Public Health found that exposure to forest soundscapes before bedtime improved sleep onset and quality by calming the nervous system and masking disruptive noises. Physiological relaxation. Forest sounds activate the parasympathetic nervous system, lowering heart rate and blood pressure. A 2016 study in ecopsychology showed that listening to forest sounds for 15 minutes reduced physiological stress markers, such as heart rate variability, promoting a state of calm. Asterisk support for mindfulness and meditation. The organic, non-intrusive nature of forest sounds facilitates deeper meditative states. A 2021 study in Frontiers in Neuroscience noted that forest soundscapes increased alpha brainwave activity, associated with relaxed alertness, aiding mindfulness practices. In summary, forest sounds offer benefits like reduced stress, improved mood, enhanced focus, better sleep, and physiological relaxation. These effects make forest environments, especially when combined with water sounds near streams or waterfalls, powerful settings for calming the mind during meditation. If you would like to hear more interesting facts and tips about maintaining your mental health, please subscribe to our channel and follow us so you don't miss out on any new lessons.